I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show around this stylish 208 in the GT line specification. So this vehicle has 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, rear parking sensors. Inside the car it's half leather interior with a red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.